morning. Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn about place value of 4-digit numbers. With the help of this video, you will be able to solve your workbook worksheet number 3A, 3B, 3C and 3E, that is on page number 8, 9, 10 and 12. Let's say this is Buzz and he is a worker bee. He lives with thousands of other bees in a beehive. But students, what are you thinking about? Are there a lot of bees? Students, first tell me, how much do you know about numbers? Okay, tell me, what is place value? Place value is the value of each digit in a number based on its position. Now, let's have a look on this abacus. Which number this abacus is showing? Students, you can see that there are 3 bars on the abacus. The first bar is of ones, and the second bar is of tens, and the third bar is of hundreds. You can see that on ones bar there are 3 numbers of beads. On tens bar there are 2 numbers of beads. On hundreds bar there are 4 numbers of beads. So, we can say that under ones column we have digit 3, under tens column we have digit 2 and under hundreds column we have digit 4. Okay students, now can you tell me the place value of this number 582? First of all, we always tell the place value from the right side, that is ones. It means the place value of 2 is ones. Then the place value of 8 is tens. And the place value of 5 is hundreds. So we can say that 2 ones, 8 tens and 5 hundreds. Students, can you tell me what is 1,000? Of course not, because you haven't learned this in your previous class. Let me tell you, if you have 100 bees in one beehive, then 10 such beehives of 100 bees make 1,000. And you can see on abacus we have one more bar that is called thousands bar. Now student, please have a look on this abacus. Which number this abacus is showing? You can see there are 4 bars on this abacus. First one is of ones, then the second one is of tens, and then hundreds, and then thousands. On ones bar there are 3 numbers of beads. On tens bar we have only 1 number of bead. On hundreds bar we have 4 numbers of beads, and on thousands bar we have 2 numbers of beads. So we can say that under ones column we have digit 3, under tens column we have digit 1, under hundreds column we have digit 4, under thousand column we have digit 2. So we will read this number as 2,400 and then join these 2 digits, that is 13. It's not 1 and 3, it's 13. So we will read this number as 2,413. Now student, look at this number, that is 2, 5, 9 and 8. You can see that there are 4 digits in this number. And we have to write this number inside the place value chart. And we know that our place value chart always starts from ones column from the right side, and then we move from right to left, and we write tens, and then we write hundreds, and then we write thousands. And we always start writing our value from ones column from the right side, and we can see that we are writing 8 under ones column, then 9 under tens column, and then 5 under hundreds column, and 2 under thousands column. Question number 1 is do as directed, and A part is use 5819 to make a number. You can see there are 4 digits and we have to make a 4-digit number. First of all, we have to make a place value chart, and we know that our place value chart always starts from ones column from the right side, and then we move from right to left, and then we write tens, and then hundred, and then thousand. You can see one is already written under hundreds column, so we can say that one has been used. The second hint is in the blanks, that is the value of 9 is 9 ones. So you can see 1 and 9 has been used and we have left with these two digits, that is 5 and 8. Now students, it's up to you in which column you want to write 8 and in which column you want to write 5 to make a 4-digit number. Here you can see I wrote 5 under tens column and 8 under thousands column. So I get a 4-digit number, that is 8159. Now come to the filling the blanks. So the value of 5 is, we can see 5 is written under tens column, so the value of 5 is 5 tenths. Then the value of 8 is, you can see 8 is written under thousands column, so the value of 8 is 8 thousands. Then you can see 1 is written under hundreds column, so value of 1 is 100. Question is write the numbers from the smallest to biggest. Ascending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. So students, 4 numbers are here and we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Remember, rule number 1 is the number with fewer digits will be the smaller one. But here you can see that we have equal number of digits in all these numbers. So if we have equal number of digits, then we compare first digit on the left. Here 1000 is on the left side. Here you can see that 1 is smaller than 3 and 3 is smaller than 4. So we can say that the number 1273 is smaller and the number 4592 is the greatest one. Now let's compare the same first digit of rest of two numbers. Let's compare the second digit of these two numbers. You can see that second digit is also same. Now let's compare the third digit of these two numbers. So we can say that 2 is smaller than 9. So 3126 is smaller than 3195. So this is the way to write the number in ascending order. Now this is the representation of place value with the help of blocks. A small block shows ones block. 10 ones make a bar of tens. 10 bars of tens make 100. 10 blocks of 100 makes 1000. Now students, can you tell me how many thousands, hundreds, tens and ones are there in this picture? You can see we have 7 blocks of ones, 6 bars of tens, 1 block of 100 and 1 block of 1000 is there in this picture. So, can you tell me which number we get now? Yes, It's 1167. Now write the spellings of 1167, that is called number in words. Keep practicing at your home. Take good care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.